Compatible with most pressure washers up to 3000 psi. Perfect with Sun Joe's complete line of pressure washer detergents and snow foams. High-powered, touch-free foamer covers gunk, grease grime with a thick lather of foam. Adjustable spray nozzle detergent dial to produce exact foam mixture you want. Twist the top knob towards, plus, minus, to get the desired mixture thickness level. Adjust the nozzle to get the desired sprinkle pattern. Nozzle tips. Included 5 quick connect nozzle tips tackle light, medium and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Easy connect. 1/4 quick disconnection fitting. Container. 34 fluid ounces capacity container easily fills. Fluid ounce milliliter markings enable precise measurement. Lightweight. Just 1 pound. Top reviews from the United States. Suds like crazy. Used this to spray Chemical Brothers soap over a car and I ended up using minimal water with a medium spread. Foam like crazy. This worked great on my SP2000 series Sun Joe. It was easy to connect, and does what it says it does. Way better than the onboard foamer and soap dispenser. Foam spread is adjustable by turning the black end and good water mix control on the top knob. Only gripe. It's heavy at the end of the sprayer.